Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, November 21st, 2025. Welcome to the live trading room. And what a week we're having. Just tremendous. I had four trades yesterday for plus 155. They're a little bit bunched up here. It's hard to see where they are, only because I had to bunch up the chart to be able to show the entire sell-off that happened yesterday, starting at 1046. That was a massive sell-off that happened yesterday. Just big. Let me get my drawing tools out. Yeah, this sell-off yesterday. So if any of you traded that, you probably did very well. Big drop yesterday. So enough about that. Anyway, Q closed down at 584.86, currently sitting at 587.63. So no gap play, at least not right now. Come up to real time. There we go. Bring that up. Let me get rid of something over here. And look at this pre-market volume. We've got 7,543,000 already traded in pre-market. A lot of adjustment going on, a lot of things sold overnight, I suspect. Prices are going to be high today. We'll see if all that pre-market volume comes in and lowers these strikes. I don't think it's going to lower it that much. So we've got some pretty high strikes to deal with today. So we may be doing lower deltas today. So there is that. That's all I've got. Let me see. Is Keith? Keith is there. There he is. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, what a day yesterday. I had four trades during our time on that was up 92 cents. I did another one, got towards the end of that sell off for 30 cents. So up $1.22 for yesterday. Week total up $4.39. There are a number of announcements coming out today. There have been four Fed members speaking this morning, and I think that's what's been moving the market also some more this morning. We have the S&P Global Composite PMI numbers and manufacturing numbers coming out and services numbers coming out at 9:45. And we have the Michigan Consumer Expectations Index as well as the consumer sentiment numbers, along with the consumer inflation expectations for the 1 year and 5 year. All those come out at 10 o'clock, along with the wholesale inventories come out at 10 o'clock. So other than that, not much going on, you know. No other announcements today, no bond auctions today. I'll be trading today's expiration with Tim today, and let's make it a great day to finish the week here this week.
Yeah, absolutely amazing week of trading this week, much like last week. So we've really are in a period of just great trading. Market has really been cooperating with high pre-market volume, and it's really a lot of volume pre-market today. So we'll see what the strikes end up being. Let's let Kathleen in. Okay, we got about 30 seconds before we start. Just remember to have 20 cents between each of your hash marks on each of your charts over here. So we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. Okay, coming up on 10 seconds. Stand by, everybody. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in. Price immediately going into some sell-off.
Mine's different than yours this morning again, Tim.
Is it?
I have it going up. What do I have different?
Mine's going up.
Well, now it's going up.
Must be behind again. Price quickly jumping up. Yeah, I'm behind again.
Yep. Yeah, because it's pulling back now.
Yeah, price is really pulling back. It really rose quickly, and it's doing a crazy Ivan right now. Coming right back to where price started. It's crazy Ivan.
Yeah, you're about 12 seconds behind me.
Yeah.
Now it's strong green again.
Wow. Jumping up there. So Dow is up by 214, Nasdaq up by 101, S&P is up by 28. We've got 10 million already, 10,300,000 already traded on the underlying, and volume is just increasing. Just
Boy, this market maker is just doing big candles up, down, up, down.
yeah, big wide consolidation pattern.
It's typically why we don't try to trade the first 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to go down below VWAP now.
Mm-hmm. There it goes.
It's back up though.
This market maker is being really aggressive this morning and trying to find a trap door.
At the 1 minute MACD is in the call buys position mid range, right center. The 5 minute MACD is in the put direction coming down right at plus 0.5. So no agreement there. Back down again.
Mm-hmm.
I did. Where do I want to put that thing? I did put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of the first 5 minute candle.
Mm-hmm.
We've come down through that now, though.
Put one in.
Down close to VWAP again.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and pseudo supply zone in. All right, Dow is up 217, Nas up 96, S&P up 28. So got positive broader indices going on.
5 minute MACD's trying to turn back up again.
Mm-hmm. Still staying in this range here. Need to break out from this range.
You want me to share my charts instead this morning, Tim, because you're running behind.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think you need to quit sharing yours though first. Yeah, there we go.
Okay. You've got control, sir.
Okay.
There they go. All right. We've got price coming down through the demand zone. Prices are a bit expensive today. Going to bounce off a VWAP there.
You might be able to put a supply zone in here in 30 seconds or so.
Mm-hmm.
We have both the 1 minute and 5 minute MACDs in the put bias direction. Yeah, I'm going to put the supply zone up here.
And I'm going to keep an eye on the, I guess the 589 or the 590. We'll call it the 590 on the put side. Yeah, it's already retreating.
Wow. Just big swings, this quick swings this morning.
Yeah, yeah. We've got to wait till this settles down and we start getting some trends going here.
Yeah, I would agree. Just a reminder, in 4 minutes, we have the PMI reports coming out.
Hmm.
Man, look at those 5 minute candles. They're just huge. Well, in the 1 minute and the 5 minute candles are just huge.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. We'll wait a couple minutes, but we probably can move the demand zone or pseudo demand zone down to real demand zone, but I'll wait.
Mm-hmm.
Let the 1 minute MACDs cross back over, going back up. Yeah, these are expensive this morning.
They are.
Crossed above the supply zone, but coming back down now. Well, you got to keep on your toes to keep the chart centered this morning.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's just crazy. Let the 5 minute MACDs come down close to mid range. Let the 1 minute MACDs cross back down and red arrow again.
Just won't stay in any one direction.
No, no.
All right, we'll just be patient. We know when our trades are coming.
At 45 seconds till that PMI reports come out.
Okay.
And it got 14.8 million underlying traded so far. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Everything's green. Dow's up 72, Nasdaq's up 74, S&P's up 19. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to move that demand zone down to a real demand zone here.
Mm.
Back down to VWAP, trying to cross VWAP.
Price is dropping. So we pass VWAP and the demand zone, the real demand zone, trying to get down further, see if it succeeds and creates a trend.
Getting down close to yesterday's close, the yellow line here is
Hmm.
yesterday's close. I'm watching the 588 on a put.
Yep. Me too.
Let me go ahead and try to get in on this.
All right. I am in 537.
537? Oh, I was 567. Wow.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 563.
Okay, that makes more sense. Whoops, what was that?
Wasn't me.
That might have been me. Did that get in twice? Why did I open twice?
Oh,
Oh boy. 550. Somehow I got in twice. So I'm at an average of 559.
okay. Yikes. Come on down.
What the heck is going on here? Come on, get down. Come
Yep.
on down. Come on, Ivan. I don't like the games the market makers playing this morning.
No, no, nor do I.
Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Now, Pooey, come on. Get down. Come on, keep pushing down.
Come on, push through VWAP in that demand zone. Let's go.
Oh, come on.
Just wants to stay between those two zones.
This was not in time to get double filled on that.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on. Time to move it down. Time to move it down. Come on, turkey. Get down there.
Shit.
Let the 5 minute cross back over going up.
Mm-hmm.
1 minute MACD's up above zero point 0.5, actually 0.7 now. Come on, time to start selling.
Come on down. Come on. Come on down through BWAP. There we go.
No, keep coming down. Come on, keep coming down. Say you could go up yet.
Hmm.
The 1 minute MACD's crossed over and the 5 minutes bounced off the control line. There we go. Come on down.
Coming up on 2 minutes away from the pop.
Although I think the market maker's been popping all morning.
Yeah, no kidding. Up to 19,327,000 traded on the underlying. Come on down. Let's get through VWAP.
Thirty seconds to the pop.
Come on.
Here's the pop. No, don't retrace. Come on. Keep going down. Come on down. There we go. There we go. That's the direction we want.
Yeah. Push, push, push. Come on.
The light blue line is yesterday's low.
Mm-hmm. That yellow's the close.
Yes.
Okay.
I do have an order to close half of my contracts on that second open for like a 10-cent gain.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Okay, closed half of my contracts.
Okay.
In order to close the other half if it drops down here again a little bit.
All right. I'm in positive numbers now.
Go down. Now come on back down. Come on down.
Come on down. Come on. Not that way, Keith.
Yeah, come on. The other direction. By the way, we can move that supply zone up.
Okay.
Intermediate zone down here.
Come on down. Come on.
That's not down. Come on. Man, we got just a psychotic market maker this morning.
No kidding. Schizophrenic. Bipolar.
Yeah, or all of the above.
22,126,000 traded on the underlying. Got Dow's up 222, Nas up 75, S&P up 29. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Yeah, there you go. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Come on, I gave you a lot of room to move down. Come on down.
Mhm. Come on down.
There we go. Got the 1 minute MACD's crossed back over going down.
Mhm.
Still got a pretty steep angle on the 5 minute MACD going down.
This be a good place for a breakout.
Yep.
Come on, break down. Can't believe we're down to 585. Wow.
23.6 million underlying traded so far on the Qs. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Come on. Keep going down. There we go.
Come on. Come on. Breakthrough. Really get this sell off going.
Yep. Come on. Come on. Hmm.
I mean, price is just moving all over the place.
Yep.
How long these wicks are. Come on down.
Come on. Come on.
It wants to break down. Come on. Break through. Come on down.
There we go.
Look at that top wick on that last 1 minute.
Yep.
A lot of downward pressure.
Got smacked down. That's for certain. Come on. Come on. That's it. There we go.
Okay.
Fill there. Okay, I just got out. 592.
Okay, waiting for mine to change and getting out. And out at 594. Phew.
Huh.
Oh my gosh.
Well, now that that crisis has been averted, can can I make an announcement?
Yes.
Yeah.
If anybody's on E-Trade, you need to look up at the top of your chart and make sure it doesn't say delayed data. Apparently, they had an update and it went in and kicked lots of people off of real time.
Oh,
And unless you go in and resubscribe to real time, which is $3 a month or free if your account's over 10,000, you're going to be 15 minutes delayed going forward.
Well,
oh,
thank you for the info.
yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't figure it out yesterday, and then all of a sudden I saw it says delayed data up there, and I was like, why would it say that? Well, it was true, it was delayed data, but now it's fixed. So if you're on E-Trade, watch for it.
Well, good deal. Thank you so much. All right. So we're up to 25,957,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is up 180, Nas is down 23, S&P is up 10.
And I've of my two trades, one was an accident. I got in. I'm up 43 cents this morning. And thank you for that.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
But this has just been crazy trying to predict this morning, Tim.
I know. I know. This is crazy.
Was hoping to get over $5 for the week, but I'm not certain I want to get in again on these.
Yeah. Yeah, this is almost too unpredictable. Not really seeing the kind of trends that we're used to at this time of day, um, and the breakouts.
Try it if your charts are 15 minutes behind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we got the 1 minute's cross back over going up, and the 5 minute MACD's trying to get flat, but now it's coming back down again. So it's crazy.
There's
We can move that demand zone down.
mhm.
So I think we got a couple spots to put intermediate zones in then too. This one first. This one down here. And got another intermediate one here too. One-minute max D's come back, cross back over, going down.
Price trying to break out on the bottom side. I mean, generally this morning we are more selling off than not.
Yeah, the Nasdaq's gone red. It's down 64 now.
Mm-hmm.
Dow's up 124. S&P's flat, just up $1. 27.2 million underlying traded.
Yeah.
I meant to make a comment earlier, Tim. We had a nice crowd here this morning.
Yeah.
There were a couple of them that have signed back off. Didn't want to enjoy that craziness. I don't blame them.
I know. That one was truly a roller coaster. But, we stuck it out. We got our profit.
Well, and one of the reasons I stayed in that put was that as crazy as this move was going, it's been up strong, down strong, up strong, down strong. So we're just waiting for that swing down.
Mm-hmm.
Fortunately, it happened.
Yeah, absolutely.
I still don't know how I got in that second trade because I don't think I was even clicking near my active trader window. Just thinking ahead to next week, Tim, are you going to be on Friday?
I'm not sure yet.
Okay.
I'm thinking we might take that day off.
Yeah, I definitely will not be on Friday,
Right,
Thursday or Friday.
right. Yeah, Thursday's Thanksgiving. Friday traditionally, Black Friday is traditionally a really low volume day, really not much going on in trading. So it's probably not going to be on Friday.
Definitely has been the morning of wicks, long wicks on both sides today.
Mhm.
Back up to VWAP. Kick back again. Give that wick. Someone up here.
Wow.
Are you back up to real time, Tim, or are you still running about 10, 12 seconds behind?
Let's see. Good question. I'll see on the next minute here.
Let's see when they cross. Kick back down again.
Looks like I'm still behind here, just kind of comparing the two. All right, and it just went. So I'm 12 seconds behind.
Yeah. Yeah. We have to do some software upgrades this weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, the issue for me is I've got, well, my newer Mac was destroyed in the flood,
Oh boy.
and I'm using a 2017 iMac, and it's the OS is as high as it can go, and
Mm.
that's a level too low now. Thinkorswim just came out with a notice saying they're no longer supporting iOS, anything below iOS 14, and I can't update. So, is there a new computer in my immediate future? Yes,
Sounds like it.
probably.
I hate doing that. It took me 2 weeks to get everything set up right on the new computer once I got one.
Oh, I hate it.
But it's been good since.
Hmm. Yeah, I gotta bite the bullet and just do it. Anyway, I'm sure that's the issue.
Yeah, I was just amazed the new one I got. I have just a PC and just the improved performance. And it's actually paid about half what I paid for the last one I got.
Uh-huh.
And it's about 10 times faster.
Isn't that amazing? I mean, it's the only technology I know of that goes faster, smarter for less price.
Yeah, and it's less power consumption too.
Mhm. It's good. It's less power consumption because AI is going to suck up all the available watts.
Yeah, yeah. Nasdaq's back red again, down 8, down 73. Dow's up 210. S&P's up $3. 30 million underlying traded so far.
Wow.
We're just about an hour into the market. I want to go back and look here. Let's see here what our announcements were. All right. Michigan sentiment came in better than expected, not by a lot. Inflation numbers came in less than expected, both on the 1 year and the 5 year. Wholesale inventories were up a little higher than expected.
Hmm. Keith, would you center your 1 minute?
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Not a single one even close to 100,000.
Mm-mm.
Let's see here. Ooh, there was one 130,000. Everything else has been much more than 100,000. I don't think we can. No, can't move the demand zone down yet. I don't know, Tim, that I've had a day like this morning, that jumping around as much. With one exception, on FOMC report days.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
It, it,
that's what it reminds me of.
yeah, I don't know that a normal morning has been that
And
dramatic.
jumpy. I'll be right back.
Can't move it down yet. Both MACDs are getting pretty low. The 5-minute one is down at minus 2.1. And the 1-minute one is down at minus 1.44. So don't want to get into another put here, although the angle on the 5-minute is still pretty strong, going down.
Wow.
Yeah, I just tell them where the MACDs are on the 1-minute and the 5-minute.
Oh, holy smokes. Yeah, I can see that.
And yesterday,
Wow, it's quite a breakout. But could snap back just like it has been all morning.
the 1-minute MACD got down to minus 3.1.
Wow. I've never seen it that low.
No, I haven't either. The 5-minute. Yesterday, the 5-minute MACD got as low as minus 7.5.
Wow. Holy smokes. That's crazy.
It is. Still isn't there yet. Well, Tim, I hope you didn't lose data on that Mac you lost.
Oh, it was my music composition computer,
Hmm.
and I lost some things, but I have most stuff saved to external drive.
Yeah, okay,
So
good. Did it destroy your instruments down there too?
it took out the keyboard.
Okay,
The
all right.
guitars are okay, but the keyboard,
Well,
the my composing keyboard is history.
sorry to hear that.
Yeah,
Sorry about that.
yeah, I miss it, but we're getting a. I'll be getting a new one, hopefully.
Is your insurance company answering your calls or are they ignoring you?
Yeah, it's still answering the calls. This is going to be quite an expensive thing for them.
I had within 5 years of each other a lightning strike that took out a bunch of my pool equipment
Oh,
and did it again last year. And wasn't as bad as the prior one, but it was enough that they said we're gonna have to start raising your interest rates or your insurance rates
yep.
because too many effects.
Yeah, we expect that we're going to be kicked off of this policy once it's all said and done.
Yeah, and mine was only like 10 grand for all the equipment.
Mm-hmm.
All right, gonna try to turn around here.
Yeah.
If you haven't guessed, I'm done trading for the day. So I'm up $4.82 for the week, and the November numbers are up $12.85.
Nice.
And I'm going back. I'm taking time to go back in previous months and do trading based on the rules we're supposed to be following that we're following here the last few weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not cheating. I'm not looking at the full day and watching the MACDs. I'm actually going through it. I may go through it 3 times the speed, but not looking ahead. And it's been good. So
That's awesome.
I'll report that at some point in time. And if you're wondering if I had like this month, if I had losses, yes, I have, but I've been able to minimize my losses. The biggest loss was down like $1.04, and I've had about 3 of them that have been down 60 some cents.
Mm-hmm.
but getting out early when I know it's going bad, but also staying in longer on the other ones to make up for it. So that's good.
Yeah.
Maybe it has found the bottom here. Nasdaq's down 105 now. S&P's down $1. Dow's up 2.
A nice push up here.
Maybe moving that demand zone down here. It'll stay reasonable for the next 30 seconds.
Huh.
You know, that's asking a lot here this morning.
It is.
One-minute MACD ahead crossed over and it's heading up. 5-minute MACD, it's turned up, but it hasn't crossed over yet. I don't know that I've seen this many volume candles all over 100,000, Tim.
I know.
This late in the morning.
I know. It's crazy. We're up to, what is it? 35 million, almost 36 million here in a few seconds. There it goes. 36 million. Wow.
Okay, we can move the demand zone down. Doing that now. Move intermediate zone down to where we were.
There you go. Hey, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So getting a nice rise here on the call. Looks like things have settled down a bit in terms of price direction. Not quite the jumpiness that we were getting.
Yeah, getting more just big or reasonable sized candles moving up, a nice trend.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still not biting though.
Ain't gonna do it.
Not gonna.
So price came up almost to the intermediate zone. May still try to reach it.
Yep.
There it goes. See if it bounces off of that intermediate zone back down, as price often does.
You mean like that?
Just like that.
You heard it here first.
Mm-hmm. Boy, things are just pulling back so quickly and in large chunks. Oh, I just want to let everyone know that the Zoom link for next week is going to go out today. Not on Sunday, but I'm going to be sending it out today.
All right.
Wow, look at that drop.
Yep.
Starts getting a good trend going, only to pull back suddenly. Price rebounding back up. This really is just like the movement we get with an FOMC announcement.
It certainly is. That's why I don't like those announcement afternoons.
Mm-hmm.
Evidently, the various Fed members who spoke this morning said they think a pretty good chance that they will still cut rates one more time in December,
Hmm.
which surprises me.
Yeah, me too.
And for some reason, they haven't called and asked me yet. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah,
That is
unusual.
surprising. Price keeps topping out near that minor zone.
Yep.
So that's the limit of the upper, or that's the upper limit to the current price range.
And the blue line is yesterday's low, so it keeps bouncing off that in
Mhm.
that area too.
So if you're going to continue trading today, anybody, just be very, very careful. Um, Price is just all over the place, and it's not really giving us clear trends.
Yeah, and like FOMC days, I would trade with fewer contracts if indeed you do trade.
Yeah. Price coming down again, but we'll see how far. Lots of long candles today.
Long candles and long wicks too.
Mm-hmm.
If I recall, the last couple Fridays we've had really good days on Friday, but not today.
Yeah. Well, we've had just a lot of volume, really pushing price around quite a bit. And a market maker who's not, doesn't seem to be really controlling the market all that well.
No.
So I'm going to settle for one trade today and be darn grateful I got it.
Yep. Yep.
Draw that. So, all right, folks, we are at the top of the hour. That is it for this week. It was a fantastic week this week. Today, just one trade, but safely out of it with some profit. So that's good. We had a wild ride on this one today, but it came out positive. So that's all that we really care about. Keith will be here Monday. I will not be here on Monday. Keith will be taking the call on Monday, and I will be back on Tuesday through the rest of the week, of course. Everybody have a nice weekend. Keith, thank you very much, sir.
Yep. Yep. Everybody have a great weekend too. Thanks for being with us, and let's hopefully pick up where we were doing earlier this week on Monday.
Absolutely. Absolutely. All right, everybody. Have a safe and blessed weekend. Take care, everybody.
Bye.